Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable Threads badge on Instagram. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Threads and you will see profile icon, click on it. And then click on share options. And then you will see copy URL, click on it, and then open your Instagram and then click on profile options and then click on edit profile, and here click on add link and then click on add external link, and here click on URL and paste the URL which you have copied, then click on OK. So you can see show thread badges is on. So in this way you can enable thread badge on Instagram. So when you will click on it, you will see your threads. So in this way you can enable threads on Instagram. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.